Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with lesson 25 of GK, that is Tour of India. Children, India is a beautiful country with many beautiful monuments. In this lesson, you will get to know about some of the beautiful monuments of India. But before that, you have to understand the meaning of monument. Children, monument is an old building or it can be any other place that is of great historical importance. Okay? So children, in this lesson you will learn about some of the famous monuments of India which hold an important place in the history of India. Okay, so let's start. Let us take a tour of India and visit some beautiful places. Name A, these places, and B, their locations. You may use the help box. Okay, children, here we have to write the name of the monument and here we have to write where the monument is located, and here the help box is given. Okay, let's read them. A, places. First, Qutub Minar. Second, Mysore Palace. Third, Golden Temple. B, locations. First, Delhi. Second, Amritsar. Third, Mysuru. Okay. So children, we can take help from this help box. Now children, have a look at this picture. Do you recognize this picture? What it is? Can you tell me? Yes, this is Golden Temple, children. It is a place of worship for Sikhs. And where it is located? It is located in Amritsar. Okay. Children, it is a famous Gurdwara which is known as the Golden Temple. Okay, so you are going to write Golden Temple over here and Amritsar over here. Okay, like this. Okay, now have a look at the second one. Have a look at this picture. Do you recognize this picture? I'll tell you what it is. Children, this is the picture of Mysore Palace. The Mysore Palace is a historical palace and the royal residence at Mysore. Mysore is now known as Mysuru. Okay? And Mysuru is commonly described as the city of palaces, and there are 7 palaces in Mysuru including this one. Okay? So over here you are going to write Mysore Palace and here you will write Mysuru. Okay? Now children, have a look at this picture. Do you recognize this picture? I'm sure many of you can. Yes, this is the picture of Qutub Minar, and where it is located? It is located in Delhi. Okay? Children, the Qutub Minar has 5 distinct stories. Okay? But no one is allowed to climb the Minar. Okay? So here you are going to write Qutub Minar and here you are going to write Delhi. Now children, look here. Quiz time. Look at the pictures and tick the correct names. So you have to look at the pictures and then you have to tick the correct name. Have a look at this picture. This is the picture of Lotus Temple, Rose Temple. See, it is looking like a lotus. So this is the picture of Lotus Temple. So you are going to put a tick over here. Okay, in front of Lotus Temple. Now have a look at this picture. This is the picture of what, children? Red Fort or Taj Mahal? What will you say? Yes, you all know. This is the picture of Taj Mahal. So you are going to put a tick over here. Okay, children? So children, these are some of the very famous monuments of India, and as Indians, we all are very proud of them. Okay, so here we finish lesson 25 of GK. Now let's move further. Now children, let's start with lesson 28, that is dealing with strangers. But before starting, let me tell you the meaning of strangers. Children, strangers are people whom we haven't met before or whom we don't know. Jinko hum nahi jante. The people whom we don't know are called strangers. Okay? Now look here, children. Take the activities you must do when you meet a stranger and cross the ones you must not do. So you have to tick the activities that you must do when you meet a stranger and you have to cross the ones you must not do. Have a look at the first one. If a stranger comes to pick you up from school saying he has been sent by your parents, you should go with the stranger or you should refuse to go with the stranger. What you should do? You should refuse to go with the stranger because you don't even know that the stranger is saying the truth or if the stranger is lying. You are not aware about the fact that whether the stranger has been actually sent by your parents. Yes, so you should refuse to go with the stranger. Okay, so put a tick over here and put a cross over here. Okay, children? Now see the next one. If a stranger gives you an ice cream, you should take the ice cream or you should refuse to take the ice cream. What you should do? You should refuse to take the ice cream. Why? Because the stranger can mix anything in the ice cream and give it to you, which can be really very harmful for you. Yes? So you should refuse to take the ice cream. So put a tick over here and put a cross over here. Okay? Now see the third one. If a stranger knocks at the door and you are alone in the house, you should open the door or you should not open the door. What will you do? You should not open the door. If you open the door, then what can happen? The stranger can forcefully get inside the house and the stranger can harm you in any way. The stranger may also steal anything from your house. So, you should not open the door. Okay? So, put a tick over here and cross over here. Now, children, look here. If you happen to be separated from your parents, remember, never accept help from a stranger. Always go to the nearest policeman or police station for help. Never be scared in such a situation. So children, by chance, if you get separated from your parents, always remember that you should not take help from any stranger. What you should do? You should go to the nearest policeman or police station for help. And never be scared in such a situation. Go to the nearest policeman or police station and take help from them. Don't be scared and act bravely in such a situation, but never take help from a stranger. Okay? So children, here we finish lesson 28 of GK. I hope you have understood the lesson nicely. Thank you.